Okay, so what you do is you put the dog food inside the pantyhose and you drag it on your track. For each corner you lay down an article, and what I have here is leather, a cotton pad used for makeup, whatever, or a piece of maybe a handkerchief or whatever the material you have, and of course a piece of wood. So for each corner you lay down the article, and of course you reward the dog when they find the article. The indication of them finding an article is to have them lay down. So we need to train them to lay down when they find the article. Okay, so this is what I have. The food, the moist food or the wet food is in at the bottom of the trouser. I made a knot, and of course I attached the leash, and what I'm going to do is start dragging. So first things first is you make a disturbance. So you make a square. Okay, and you kind of like put your scent here, right? And you lay down the dog food, and in your disturbance, okay, your starting point is you put a treat, high value treat, and I usually use chicken breast. So you put one treat there in the corner, put one treat there in the corner, so now you have a treat there, and put one right here, so it's like you make an arrow, right? Alright, so now I'm ready to drag this, okay? And then every so often, so what am I doing here? I'm gonna turn around. So I'm dragging the food, okay? In other words, it's leaving a scent, right? And then I'm shuffling my feet as I go, okay? And every now and then, you might want to put a treat, right? So I would do this. Put a treat right here, okay? Hopefully the birds won't get it. So I drag. So what's the distance? Every few feet, right? So like right here, okay, I would create another I don't know, heavy scent, and then I put a treat, okay, and then I drag again. Now I'm dragging my feet, right? So the treat that I left behind is actually on the path of my feet, okay? So you might see where I'm dragging the food, and it's right next to where I put the treat. Well, my scent is right on that treat as well, okay? Feet, here I go, right? Shuffle, 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 and then put treats, okay? It's right next to it. So you can see the path. So all that juice from that canned food is on that path. Now, this is what I'm doing. So Aria has done tracking, so that's why her track is pretty far. from where it starts. Well, but for the new dogs, if you're just starting with them, just maybe this is as far as it can go. But then you put articles. But like I said, Aria's done this before, so her training, her track is far. Dragging, and then I do this. 1, 2. Sorry, I paused a little bit there, but I think you have an idea how to lay a track. So we're going to be coming up on corner real soon here, and I'll show you. Okay. So this will apply to AKC tracking as well. This is how the way IPO tracking works for AKC tracking. They have articles, right? So for IPO, they have 3 articles. So here we're in a corner. Okay, I'm only going to do one corner. I'll show you how. So here's the article. I'm gonna start with this. So I'm gonna put food. Okay, and I'm gonna put this article. Hopefully the wind won't blow it. Okay, and then drag, and then make a corner. Oh, another thing that I did not do is again do that. So it's like an arrow where the corner is. So now you can tell where the corner is. It's going this way. So we're gonna drag, and then so okay. Disturbance. Okay, 1, 2. Oops, I'm definitely rubbing against the bushes here, which is perfectly fine. All right. 1, 2. One, two. Okay, I'm gonna make a corner here. So I am going to put I already did this. So I'm gonna put food underneath. There's the and this is leather. I'm not done, so I am going to, I think I ran out. Okay, so that kind of look weird. Okay, so again I'm gonna make an arrow, right? 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna do this, right? Ta-da! Okay. So I'm gonna show you what I'm trying to do here. So I'm trying to create a multiple surface. There's grass and then that's sand right there. Okay, hopefully this loose dog won't eat the treats. that I left behind. I'm laying down treats just to let you know.
You're doing what?
I'm practicing on tracking my dogs, and there's treats where your dog is sniffing right now, just to let you know.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
So that... All right, so we're in the last article, and what I'm gonna do is lay down a treat here. Oh, I didn't do this. Let me lift it. Okay, there it goes. I told that gentleman just in case, so he doesn't think that somebody's leaving poison on the ground. Okay, here we are. Multiple surface, right? Okay. I'm gonna create a disturbance. And right there, I'm running out of treats, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my track. Somewhere around